Today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Messenger not working, so let's get into it. Open your Instagram app, and once you have opened your Instagram account, here you have to click on the go back and go to your Play Store, and once you are there in Play Store, here you have to type in Instagram in the search bar. If it is showing an update message, you have to click on the update button to update the app, but if it's showing an open message, you don't need to update the app. Another fix to solve this issue is you have to close back your Instagram app, and once you close back Instagram app, now you have to again open it. Once you are there, now see if the problem is solved or not. If this method still doesn't work for you, what you have to do is you have to log in back to your Instagram app, and once you are there, you have to click on the three dots at the top, and at this menu you have to click on the update messaging option at the bottom. Once you click this option, now you have to click on the update button, and after that you will see this option. And once you will see this option, now you have to go back to your home screen, and as you can see, the problem has been fixed. So that's how you can fix Instagram Messenger not working.